The plugin for Revit and ArchiCAD provides especially convenient search and filter functions for all Saint-Gobain components. You will have quick access to all component categories via the show house. With the help of the selection filter, you can choose the variation, situation, type of insulation and additional requirements. The detail view clearly shows sectional drawings and isometries, as well as reference texts, BIM parameters and links to online information. Frequently save components you use as favorites, and you will therefore always maintain an overview. All saved systems are listed in the Favorites tab and can therefore be quickly adopted in the design. Links to online tools are also available here. Download the selected system via the download button and then import it via the respective function. You will immediately find the system in the respective library, in this case with the walls. You will find all component parameters, including the layer structure of the wall system, in the properties. Regardless of which CAD software you prefer, you will enjoy numerous benefits with the BIM solutions from Saint-Gobain.